Responding to incidents without historical context can be a daunting task. With Squadcast Past Incidents, incident responders can now quickly access similar past incidents, adding crucial context for faster and more accurate triage. Our heat map offers a high-level view of past incidents over 6 months. Darker squares indicate more incidents, helping you spot patterns at a glance. Or navigate to the relevant incidents and sort them by the incidents that had the highest activity, such as runbook attachment and incident notes. Our fintech, cybersecurity, and MSP customers have built more resilient systems by leveraging this feature. Past incidents make your incident data work for you, make informed decisions, and take the guesswork out of incident remediation.